starting recording again because his dog, we were just fine, and his dog started barking. It is 10:34 p.m. my time, and he wondered if there were people at the door, so we went to go answer the door, and I haven't seen him for a little bit. As you can see, video's still running, and me and my friend are talking. So... Oh wait, there he is. Hello, people, hello? Hello?
Yeah, no, he did it. 4 cops came up, and they said that they got a tip that I was gonna kill everyone around me and then kill myself.
Wow!
And I said no, I'm dealing with someone who's stalking me. I don't feel the need to hurt myself.
Did you say you were swatted? Because you were just swatted right now.
I just said someone lied a tip on me. And I said I have all their information and I'm gonna send it later.
No, this is what swatting is. They literally just did that. And I am also recording. Yeah. I am just recording.
Yeah, okay, so what they did was, it was 4, I should have asked for them. Fuck, I should have asked for their fucking badge stuff so I can contact them again. I'm a fucking moron. I'll contact fucking, I'm 18, so they're gonna have a record. I'll take a look.
Yeah, not only that, but once again, I have everything recorded.
Mm-hmm.
So...
My mom is freaking out. She doesn't want me living here. She's terrified of what's happening. And she's like, just get off. And I'm like, I can't. I literally can't. These people will find me.
Yeah.
I can't. And she's like, get away from them. And she said, get away with them. I'm like, I am. These people are insane.
Mm-hmm. Also, you should tell her that it doesn't...
let me.
You should tell her that it doesn't matter if you move out or not. They'll still use your address.
Mm-hmm. It's just insane. She doesn't know, because I know, I don't want to be the one to tell my mom that. I don't want to do that, because she's insane. She's so pissed at me.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop the recording.
I literally told her, I can move out as soon as I can, if you want me to, because, she's so pissed at me. She's tired of what I do.
Yeah. 1 second, stop.